G'day viewers, well, scored this yesterday. Drove past someone's clean-up site on the side of the road and there was a sign with some stuff saying free giveaway, and they're seeing this. Like, oh cool, mad. Little Chinese electric scooter. It just clicks a little contact in here and nothing happens. So I've checked the batteries and the multimeter and everything and they appear to be fine. Both are holding full voltage. I'll get my total cranking amp tester out in a minute. Test them. Charge, everything works fine. The chain was off, so I'll fix that. Check that breaker. That's fine. This all works. I wonder if that was what was wrong with it. I tripped the overload in there because the chain came off. That's initially what was wrong with it. And I'll just take this off and give it a test. This thing's probably fine. Okay, well I tested these batteries. They made a nice spark when I jumped the terminals briefly, so they got plenty of current in them still. What amp hour are these devices? No puffing at all in this. Doesn't say what the amp hour is. (6-DW5) Chinese model number. Doesn't tell me the amp hour though. Rosa, USA, Illinois. Shaoxing, Zhejiang, China. 13.32, 13.33, tested from the factory. Put a little breaker in here and just do some tests. The Sanru Bluetooth amplifier runs off can go up to 24 volts, so I can use that for that. Portable Bluetooth speaker with SLA batteries. I might pull this apart, just check the contacts. See if this motor is any good. I wonder if it's that motor. Oh, it's been crushed. Put power straight to this motor, see how that motor does. If it's a controller or not. Yeah, let's get this motor tested. I wonder if this motor does nothing. Either way, I've got plenty of laptop cells. I can make up a lithium battery pack and circuit in here and charge one of those IMAX P6s. Either way, if it turns out, probably won't use it as a scooter for long. I keep that motor, put it on an exercise bike. It's got the same chain on it, and that'll fit that chain on that exercise bike. And we've got a generator. Charge up some of those little batteries. My own little setup that can charge phones and things. Be a good little prepare for those upcoming state blackouts when the summer hits. They're predicting blackouts now, so here's my setup. Little 5 amp circuit breaker off my air compressor motor, just as a jumper to protect the batteries. Straight to the motor. Let's see if this motor is okay or not. Might just double tell me where the fault is. Oh, that motor's good. Okay, the fault's in there. I say the contacts have carboned up or something. This thing's fine. Oh, I've got to take this apart. Oh well. Sweet. This is fine. Nothing wrong with it. The batteries have still got plenty of life in them, so let's get this thing fixed. Pull this little controller device out. And pull this apart and just check the contacts in there, because it clicks the relay. You hear click, 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 and nothing happens. So I reckon the contacts have arced over and just gone carboned up to the point that it's not working anymore. Oh well, that's a simple fix. You know, cheap plastic non-pneumatic and a good pneumatic on the front. Not bad for a little trolley or cartwheel. Anyway, I do recall seeing a video about something exactly like this. This looks like the exact same controller circuit I seen a video a while ago. This is apparently a common fault to play up. So it's just this module that goes full retard. That goes off the potentiometer and the handle. These two wires here. It's like a sensor in there, so when you hit the brake, it stops the motor and doesn't do a burnout. So that senses that. There's another one for the potentiometer, which I think is this one. Goes up here, the potentiometer. Not much trouble though, just all on and all off by the looks of it. isn't much of a, not much trouble in that. Just clicks and nothing else happens. Well, if those relays maybe carboned up in there, CNU 40 amp relays, 14 volt DC to 24 volt DC. Nothing obviously burnt on there. Nothing much on there to say, it's just those relays have got bad contacts inside them. If I pull those off and clean the contacts, they should work. I wonder how they're put together. Yeah, it's relays. I thought so. I held this on, gave it a good whack like this, and she went. Desolder those relays, clean the contacts, if they're not the epoxy sealed type that is, and they're good to go. Oh well. Need 2 hands for this, but if I did that and then whack it, it'll go. So, not a bad diagnosis, just those relays. Turn that off. Yeah, bad contacts in those relays. Give them a good wallop and off she went. Oh well, that's not so bad. It's a bit easy fix. Put that chain back on. That chain has to stay on now. Don't know how that came off. Gotta love cheap Chinesium. Anyway, let's get this thing, I'll start fixing it up. Viewers, well, these things have got resin on the bottom. They're sealed completely, so I can't get these apart easily. So what I've done, I've just melted a hole in them on the side with a soldering iron and filled them up with contact cleaner. See if that does nothing. See, that makes a difference. So I used the wrong contact cleaner. I used a J-Car stuff, which is actually a cleaner and lube. I don't think these things need lubricating, that's for sure. Anyway, let's put this back together and give it a test now. Don't have any flux emitter, but I could just use some isopropyl alcohol to clean it off. That's all. Let's see how this works, see how long it lasts. Put it by these by the handful for next to nothing off eBay anyway, so either way, let's give it a test, have some fun with this thing. At least the batches are good though, I'm happy about that. Got some good SLAs, still pretty good. Working flawlessly now. No slow speed there. Oh yeah, got some power. Oh yeah, she's got some power. She's got power. This is going to be fun. If it does end up completely buggering up, yeah, I'm going to use that motor as a generator on that exercise bike I've got inside. Definitely. Not bad. Not bad for a Phoebe. Anyway, have some fun with this. I'm going to put it all back together and give it a test. Anyway, viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. It was actually quite a simple fix. That relays came up fine after contact cleaning it, but one of them was a battery protect relay, and that doesn't energise on its own. I've got to push it manually, and it works. So I just jammed a bit of old hot glue on the contacts, and it stays on all the time now. So either way, I think it should be okay. I'll just turn it off the switch, and I don't need it anyway. I might let it get too slow. I don't want to damage the batteries too much. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.